So this is going to be your almost personal reading, soulmate, twin flame, all signs collective. So all that you need to know. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, let's start. What is currently happening with you guys? Okay. Currently, we see the Hierophant card and Seven of Wands. So you guys are not really letting someone affect you in any which way. Okay. Even if this person has done you wrong, you are possibly trying to stay at a distance from them. You are not really trying to this like this person to re-enter your life or to possibly create more drama in your life. Okay, right now you're entirely focused on getting that peace back in your life. Okay, one more card. What's happening with you? What's happening with you? Okay. Again, we have the Temperance and Hierophant card, which tells me that majorly you're going to stay focused on yourself. I don't think you're focused on your person. Okay. If you are, then this might not be your reading that much. Okay. I see you majorly being focused on yourself, and yes, in the past you did focus on the past. You were very much upset with how things have gone, but that is about it. Right now, your main focus is on yourself. Remember, when you go through such relationships, connections, and they challenge you to a point that it helps you to possibly shift your ways of thinking, to possibly try to change your ways, which otherwise you wouldn't have done for any ordinary relationship. But since this was something that you were not wanting to lose, it kind of challenged you to possibly change yourself, and that was one of the main reasons, right? So yeah, one more card for what's happening with you. One more card for what's happening with you. All those who have booked personal readings, darling, please give me a couple of days. I wasn't doing very well, so I took a break, like wasn't in the best of energies to be doing personal readings. So yeah, with Nine of Cups, right now I see you majorly trying to do what makes you happy. I know many of you guys are going to think that that person made me happy. I do not think so. That person rather made you sad for this person making you go through so much shit. Okay, with Nine of Cups, right now you're focused on your happiness, your future, your growth, your goals, and you're possibly planning about it. Okay, with Ten of Wands, in the past you were very burdened. I believe your love life had affected your social life, your career. Things were messed up. Okay, one more card for what's happening. One more card for what's happening with Soulmate Twin Films Collective. With Seven of Swords, I believe some of you guys might still be keeping a watch on them. However, yes, you're staying away. Yes, you're possibly trying to escape the situation. You're not trying to face them, but at the same time, some of you might still be keeping a watch on them. Like, what this person is up to. Are they coming near me? Are they going away? What is this person up to? Okay. Top card with Ace of Swords. Some of you might, if they come back, if they come back, I believe that some of you might just hit them back with the truth. I don't think all of you guys are going to possibly keep yourself open towards this person or for this person, because this person has made you go through so much shit. And right now, when you have finally got that clarity, I don't think all of you are ready to let them back in your life. I'm not saying that you're cutting them for life. I'm just saying for now, I see you maintaining distance. Okay. In terms of your person, what are they up to? In terms of your person, what are they up to? In terms of your person, we have Queen of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. The person that you're connected with right now is very much thinking about you, but they feel like this is not the right time for them to approach you. But that doesn't mean they are not thinking about you. They are very much thinking about you. In the past, this person had King of Swords energy. They were acting very detached, very rude. Even if you message them, some of them might have possibly cut you out or possibly given you a very rude reply to a point that you promised yourself that I'm never going to message them again. Okay, I'm just getting that. So yeah, one more card for how are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? We have Ten of Cups, and this kind of card reversed and then fell off, right? The problem with the reading is that your person sees you as a wife or a husband material, as someone they possibly want to live with for life, forever, possibly build a family with, possibly plan their future with. That's how they think about you. The problem is this person hasn't been putting the effort or hasn't been keeping you like the main thing in their life. They've been solely focused on themselves, and that is possibly affecting this connection. In the past, they took a break from you. Right now, I believe for many of you, okay, if this person was trying to stay single from you or trying to stay away from you, this person will make some sort of move that is going to make you feel like this person is still interested. I'm not saying this person is coming back to your life or wanting to fix things. I'm saying that this person will possibly give you a basic idea that they are not still away from you. They are still very much into you and possibly still wanting the connection that you guys share. Okay, one more card for their energy towards you now. One more card for their energy towards you now. In terms of their energy towards you, we have the Devil card. They are extremely attached to you emotionally, some of them even sexually, but that doesn't mean that there is this person can move on or something. This person cannot move on, no matter if it's sexual or emotional or I won't say infatuation, because it isn't infatuation. It is attachment, it is attraction, it is a bond that is, no matter what they do or how far they go away, they cannot let go of you. Okay, that's how the card like usually means. Okay, with with Knight of Cups, this person still very much has feelings for you. Okay, so I definitely feel like regardless of what they've been doing or what they've been saying, I still feel they are extremely attached to you and they cannot free themselves from you. Okay, in terms of their feelings for you, how do they truly feel for you? In terms of their feelings for you, in terms of their feelings, however, we have Six of Swords. One more card. Why the Six of Swords here? Yeah, in terms of their feelings, darling, this person is still wanting to stay away from expressing their feelings or feeling their own feelings that they have for you. They are not ready to go in depth of their own feelings. This person just wants to stay away from the drama. I still see them possibly not wanting to like open up emotionally. Okay, I know this is very much annoying and disturbing and irritating, but what you do, such connections are weird, right? Bottom card we have here is Ace of Swords. Top card we have is Four of Wands. So in the past, this person could have said something, done something that made you feel in a certain way, but right now they very much know that you are the one, but still yet they are still not ready to open up. I don't see this person wanting to open up emotionally. Okay, so she's still very much detached. Yes, they might come forward. Yes, they might possibly even try to message you. I don't see any sort of emotional communication whatsoever. Still trying to maintain emotional distance between the two of you. Still trying to prove to you that they don't have shit for you. Okay, one more card for how they feel when you are not around. How do they feel when you are not around? With Ace of Wands, they so want you. Yeah, they so want you. Some of them might also be possibly thinking of you very sexually. Okay, so they do think of you before sleeping. You know where I'm going here, right? So yeah, Ace of Wands is that card for you, but I also see that this person still feels that heat for you. They are still extremely passionate about you, regardless of where they are, with whom they are, or with whom you are. Doesn't matter for them. They are still very much into you. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you now. One more card. Okay, in terms of their intentions, let me be honest. Okay, we have 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Cups in the reverse. In terms of intentions, they are still not ready for a relationship. 10 of Pentacles in the reverse is delays in commitment, marriage, relationship. This person isn't willing to possibly say yes to you or possibly get into a solid committed relationship with you. Okay, what is the main blockage, spirit? Like, what is blocking the connection? This person isn't sure what they want in life. I'm not saying that they are possibly juggling you with someone else. It could be majorly you and their work life, because bottom card we have Page of Pentacles. This person still feels like they have a lot more to achieve in their life, financially or career wise, before making that move towards marriage. Okay, with Ace of Swords, I don't think for many of you this is a third party. For some of you, this person is just wanting to keep their freedom, at the same time wanting to achieve more in life before getting into something stable, like a relationship, or like moving forward towards the next level of the connection. Okay, for now I still see this person is gonna not want to be in a relationship with you. Okay, one card for their action. What action are they want to take towards you now? What action they possibly want to take towards you now? Queen of Cups, Sun card. Okay, in terms of the Queen of Cups and the Sun card, in terms of action, darling, this person does want to give you their attention. This person does want to act sweet with you, but sweet is not emotional, right? Sweet is just sweet. Even I can be sweet with you. Like, doesn't mean I am emotionally being available to you. Okay, there's a difference, right? So this person might be nurturing you, taking care of you, or wanting to take care of you in the next couple of days, like giving you attention, acting like sweet out, like out of nowhere, and you're like, what's wrong with them, right? So I do believe that's what their intention is. However, what can you expect? However, what can my soulmate twin flames expect in the next couple of days in terms of action? I see communication. For many of you, there is definitely communication coming in. Page of Wands is a confirmation. So yes, I can confirm for at least 50% to 60% of you are going to get communication. Okay, please do like the video because you're going to attract it. You're going to attract the communication. If you're not wanting communication, don't be bothered. Okay, but yeah, how are they possibly thinking about you now in terms of partner? How are they possibly thinking about you now? With the Fool card, sometimes this person does wish to take that leap of faith towards this relationship, but then they are like not feeling like they are not in that position, or they haven't achieved much in life before finding that common ground with you. Maybe that you are very successful and they are not, or there is some social social or financial difference between the two of you in terms of social ranking, or financial life, or some sort of difference, darling. Okay, with the Empress card, one of you guys are doing very well and the other person isn't. Okay, it could also be emotionally you are there, like you can have a relationship, but they are not of that emotional maturity to maintain one connection. Okay, so that's something, right? One card for what are they wanting to offer you as of now? I got a card already. With High Priestess, I still feel like this person isn't ready to offer you any relationship. They are still going to want to maintain their emotional distance with you. At the same time, they might want to communicate, but nothing more than that is coming, at least for the next couple of days. Okay, what's going on with your life? Like, what should you be knowing? What's going on with your life? I believe this person is also suffering financially. Okay, with Nine of Pentacles in the reverse, if this person is trying to show you that they are confident and everything is going great in their life, that is just a lie. Okay, that is just for the social media or just to get some attention. Maybe I do not know, but I see a person struggling financially and also emotionally. Okay, top card we have with the Chariot. This person was wanting to move forward, but they could not. They just could not move on from you. Okay, so one card for how do they see you now? How do they possibly see you now? With Six of Wands, they feel like you're moving on, or you're possibly unbothered by them. You're getting attention from other individuals, and you're possibly going to move on towards something better in your life. Okay. Uh, with the Hanged Man, a part of them also believe that you were waiting on them, like waiting on their message, like waiting on their call. But they also know that you're getting attention from other people and you're not sitting there and crying, right? You may be possibly keeping the door slightly open, but that doesn't mean you're completely letting go of everyone and just wanting to hold on to them. No, you're possibly staying open to other connections, other opportunities as well. I won't say other connections. Okay, how do they view the connection now? How do they view the connection now? With Two of Swords, they feel like this connection is going nowhere for now. There still needs to be, you know, a solid conclusion coming off, like out of this communication that you guys are going to have as to what you guys want with the this relationship, whether you should go forward, fix it, or possibly just end ties and just walk in different directions altogether. With Four of Pentacles, I also believe that for many of you, your person is still wanting to hold on to this, but at the same time, they do not know what to expect from this connection. Okay, because it's either going to end or it's either going to move forward. Okay, what do they want? Like, what do they want with the connection? What do they truly want with the connection? Mind you, this readings are for soulmate twin flames. Okay, if you're in any other regular connection, then this might not resonate with you. As of now, this person, for many of you, I see Four of Pentacles and King of Wands in the reverse. Okay, so I believe that sexually this person is still wanting to keep themselves open to you. Okay, sexually, but at the same time, emotionally, this person isn't willing to invest much. Okay, so one card for what are they hiding from you? What are they hiding from you? One more card. What are they hiding from you? With Two of Wands, they are basically at crossroads. In the past, they could have possibly said some hurtful things to you, possibly made you believe that you were the one responsible for whatever the breakup or shakeup that you guys have had. Okay, right now this person is possibly stalking you, keeping a watch on you, maintaining a distance from you. At the same time, keeping a watch on you. Okay, with Six of Pentacles, for now this person wants to balance the connection, but balance the connection in terms of being on the same page, talking, or possibly not being awkward about it, kind of thing, but not really given emotionally. I do not see emotional thing going or moving forward. Okay. So what do they want from you now? What do they want from you now? For now, this person is possibly okay. For now, this person is still wanting to be in contact with you, like still stay friends with you if they cannot have a relationship. Some of them might also want to be friends with benefits here. With the Tower card clarifying the sexual part of the connection. But for now, this person is not willing to let you go. Okay, they know that you're possibly moving on or wanting to move on, but they're not ready to let you go. Okay, so let's take love messages from your person now. What's your person want to say to you now? My karmic is the main problem. Your karmic could be a person, a lover. It could also be a parent. It could be an ex-partner. It could be a close friend. It could be a corporate boss. Okay, it could be anyone. But the karmic is the main problem here. Someone is getting in the way. Okay, I drink to numb the pain. So this person does feel the connection. Does feel that painful that this connection never really got anyway. So they possibly drink to numb the pain. Yes, I'm responsible for this. I'm sorry. Deep down they know that they were responsible for it. Okay, yes, I did you wrong and I regret it for life, or will regret it for life. Okay, so these are the messages and this is your reading. Consider hitting the like button because it greatly helps my channel. Please guys, I request you to like the video as much as possible. Also, all those who wish to get a personal done from me, please visit my website. It's going to be given in the description section or the last part of the video. There's going to be a small link, so please do check that out. I've also posted Libra in separation reading for the next 10 days. Okay, so if you guys are a Libra sun moon, and you guys are in separation, you could possibly purchase that. There's also Libra twin flame out for purchase for the next couple of weeks. Okay, so if you are into that as well, so you could purchase that. It's a one-time purchase and it's a digital download. So yeah, thank you so much for coming in and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.